Hey, holy.
Panchos on 3.
1, 2, 3, Panchos!
I see the jealousy, I see the hate. Put
Good,
it on
come on, play it fast, play it fast.
Holy don't want, I don't care what they say. I'm running my race and watching my pace. Traveling on rappers, running in place. Stop of the
Get out of here, Georgie. I don't want nobody.
Come
on, send it fast.
Turning my pain into praise. Action 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times, 10 times, 10
Come on.
times. Felony saved me. Mama been praying for me since a baby. Pull up the church, the youth going crazy. This ain't a gimmick for me, it's my life. I made a killing, I'm selling out Christ.
Good, Miguel, good.
Couldn't be me. Top of the morning, I'm up in they sleep. Sunday through Saturday, not for the week. Hard to be humble, the team is elite. It's water for me. I got the dove and gave it to mom and told her the rain's over. It's time for the blessings to rain over. I see the jealousy, I see the hate. Put it on God, he don't make no mistakes. Holy the one, I don't care what they say. I'm running my race and watching my pace. Trembling on rappers,
Miguel, good.
Stop of the acting, you're not making plays. Just made a movie with game cut. Turning my pain into praise. Action.
I see the jealousy, I see the hate. I burn up the grass, now I see the snakes. Eating the gas, I cannot see the brakes. You ain't got the faith, I cannot relate. Can't judge my distance.
Y'all playing good. I like the intensity, everything. Panchos on 3.
1, 2, 3, Panchos!
Real, been chasing meals, been sharing meals. Who be wildin' and
Keep going, keep going, keep going. It's 2 y'all.
Good. Even the hours, I'm walking with God, I'm burning the bush.
Good.
I'm talking to God.
Good.
The dev, I can't take the credit. The devil
Hard, step hard. Good.
if you let him march, he say he got him, he know I'ma get him. His
Watch
wolves
the
in your
backside.
back, get
Hey,
on.
Adrian.
I see the jealousy, I see the hate.
Put it on God, he don't make
Good,
no
let's go.
Pancho the one is written on my face. I beat the case, I'm blessed multiple ways. To the most high, I give him praise. My daughter's my heart, go hard in the pain.
Different high school.
Hey, be honest, who drove themselves here? I know y'all did. Stop playing.
No mistakes.
Marito, you're the defender.
My race, I'm watching my pace.
Trembling on rappers, running in place.
Stop all that yapping, you not making plays.
Just made a movie with game
First drop.
Turning my pain into praise. Action.
Ball, watch the ball, watch the ball. Good. Good. Ask for it.
The city is where I reside.
Come on, let's go, White.
I don't need nowhere to hide. I've always been one of them guys. She never been
Hang on, Georgie.
lies. My haters always be surprised. I came from the ditch just to rise. I'm stepping on leaning.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Miguel, yes.
Nobody out. Worth about 200, 400 out. Never get caught on 285.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Life is black and it's white. If you rocking at night, weighing my bag, I'm weighing
Smart,
the
Georgie,
side.
smart,
You
Georgie,
carry
smart.
your bags, they missing the flight. I'm breaking it down, she missing the point. I'm dodging all 12, I don't do the oin. I'm smoking out
You
wood.
cannot give them this much room in their face. When you're in their face, they hesitate and then they pass. All right, and then you got to trust that your teammate's gonna be guarding the other one the same way you guarding him. All right. Now you have to
City is where I reside.
Come on, get on him, get on him.
One of them guys, she never been one to listen to lies. My haters always be surprised. I came from the ditch just to rise. I'm sorry, don't lean in the ride, but I'll never lean on nobody but I. Ain't nobody, I. Word about it. Straight to the top, I ain't in the
Vamos, Miguel.
I got too much to lose. I give it my all, but she not amused. She want credit cards, and I got a few. Shout out to God, I'm always approved. Straight to the money, I live at the bank. Lonely at the top, I'm bringing the gang.
Woo. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Give a damn about your rank. The city is where I reside. No, I don't need nowhere to hide. I've always been one of them guys. She never been one to listen to lies. My haters always be surprised. I came from the dirt just to rise. I'm slipping on leaning the ride, but I'll never lean on nobody but I.
Stupid Pancho!
Brayden.
I pray on my
Good shot, Adrian.
Like, keep me away from them fakes. I'm giving my all. They still wanna take. Maybe it's love or maybe it's hate. Riding around and I get it okay. The city I'm in it, I mess with the place. Matching the Nike mix up with my Jella. Shoot it up when I'm in court like a fella. I told my mama I'm trying to do better.
Good
My
cover,
family
Louis.
good, we staying together. Even when down, I'm keeping my head up. I got some habits I can't
Ow.
Used to be
Come on, let's go, what?
I say what I mean, you don't know what I mean.
On the ground.
My city is right on my back with the
Lean
team.
over the ball, put it on the ground.
Tell him, coach, tell him.
I still be awake when I dream. Waiting in person, they just try to catch
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, let's go!
me. You can't even call me. All of my babies look just like they mommy. Haters can't see me and they never saw me.
Sigue, sigue, sigue. Otra vez, come on, let's go, let's go!
Keep me away from the fakes. I'm giving my all. They still want to take. Maybe it's love or maybe it's hate.
I don't care. We trade.
Business on me. You can't be afraid.
Otra, otra, otra.
On my back, they starting to hate. I'm praying my brother.
Shoot it, that's it! Yes!
Giving my all. They still want to take. Maybe it's love or maybe it's hate. Everyone needs to know what it is. Business on me. You can't be afraid. Walk through the door.
Good job, boys.
Georgie, Georgie's playing up. Hold it down, Eli, and good.
Let's go, Ronnie!
Go!
Gambles with my life, that's what it is, yeah. You wanna live broke or die rich. Business from the ground, rip by brick, yeah. I'm in shark with the little fish.
Nice, let's go.
Ain't no elevator lift. We was broke back then, they was coming on bitch. Boy got cold since then, but since then I kept the stick. Yeah, it's hard all together. Like the spin. Got a shot, boy, I sleep, I say amen.
Not an easy road. Winners don't lose, they just learn lessons. And today we've been learning a lot. And my boys holding it down though. Boys holding it down. Now ones that their faces go down, and I like that. That's all we can ask for these boys. Every time you get on the field, give it your all, that's Minus the mistakes, and y'all will get the dub. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Alright, man. Panchos on 3. We're gonna say this shit loud as hell. Right? Go ahead, baby.
Panchos on me, Panchos on 3. 1, 2, 3, Panchos! Hey! Let's go!
Andrew, your man.
Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's go!
Come on, come on.
Good. Yeah!
Good idea, Louis. Good idea.
Yeah! Woo! Yes! Let's go, let's go. Keep it going, let's go.
Pressure makes you break. Flexing in their face, don't be mad if it's fake. All this money you can make, but you following me like I'ma lead the way. You be chilling on the ground, you should be posted at the bank. Remember rain on and I beat the case. Now it's a celebration every day. Every day we eat cake. Pray to God, protect us from the demons that got kids like the cages. I'm praying that they bring them. I'm not saying I'm the gold, it's crazy cause I believe him. I don't know if he means it. I'm just conceited. Man of the house, yeah, I do it for my sons. Yeah, I did dirt, I had to get it out the mud. It is what it was, Lord forgive me for my sins. I ain't worried about my enemies, protect me from my friends. Father's advice, I need use it. Don't go and get your freedom, then go out
ball today, all right? Everybody, I want to see all heads up. We don't lose, we learn lessons. And today we learn it. So take notes. On your way home, read your notes. All right? Study, read your notes, and then next time you're not gonna do it again, all right? This is gonna make y'all better. Y'all gonna keep getting better. Y'all was way better this second game than the first game, 100%. First game y'all was looking lost. They was skating around y'all. This time y'all was going back and forth the whole time. Then y'all was up for a while. All right? Panchos on 3 like y'all mean it. Panchos on 3. 1, 2, 3, Pancho.
Yeah, I'm so for real, so for real. Yeah, I'm so for real, so for
Claro que
real.
queríamos, pero la competencia que sí queremos. I mean, this is the competition we want, not the result we wanted, all right? So we gonna start off by saying I appreciate y'all boys for not giving up. And I appreciate the boys that came and played their position. Big Bad Georgie. Man, dog. Defender of the tournament, man. Third time for charm. It only took 3 times for us to have a tournament for you to finally get permission to come out here. The fastest boy in the world, my boy Ronnie. Hey, and this one right here, man, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I know he goes hard on himself because he expects himself to be a GOAT every game, and I appreciate that. But without this kid on our team, we will get gold on all day long. I'm talking about the big Polish prince. And then my boy right here, man, look, he started playing 2 years ago, and you could have lied to me because I forgot he just started playing 2 years ago. He develops every season, and my man been going crazy lately. I'm talking about big Choritos. Best steak in Cartersville. Facts. Alright, then I got my boy, man. Some people call him white boy, but they lying because he's Mexican in my eyes. We talking about Big Branson. Alright, this boy right here, he kind of ugly, but he look just like me, and I'm lying because I'm a handsome devil. I'm talking about my son, Big Eli. My boy right here, man, I don't even need to say nothing about him because every time I say it, I keep saying the same thing. I'm just happy he's on my team.
El Flaco.
We talking about Big Louis.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say Flaco.
Now my boy right here, man. Some people say he a soccer player. I say they lying because my boy be dancing. We talking about Big Miguel. Hey, he be in the back. He be in defense. Dancing away. Don't nobody get past my boy, bruh. Hey, we talking about big back brick. I'm talking about I'm scared of him. I'm gonna be honest. I would not want to go against him 1v1, and that is the truth. Plus, I got bad knees. I'm talking about Big Flaco. Hey, honestly, bro, I start Flaco every time because he don't never disappoint. That's a fact. And now this one right here, man, this for my boy, man, the team captain, the one that gives it his all every time he on the field. He be dancing, he be tiptoeing, he kind of ugly, but that don't matter because he be scoring. We talking about Big Brady. Yes, man, I'm so proud of every single one of you guys. Hey, they didn't give us extra medals for the coaches, but I want to give a shout out to my assistant coach because I don't know what the hell I be talking about out there. I just be yelling, but my boy knows exactly what he be talking about. We talking about Big Carlos. And he will be coaching the team on July 13th in the Calhoun tournament because I will be out of town. So my boy gonna hold it down. And I already know we're gonna get that dub. But we gonna be live streaming and I'm gonna be tuning in. Come on, Carlos, get this picture, boys. Come on, y'all tuned in, Hey, hands up. We came in here, we balled. We got second place. Hey, we could have got third. Come on. No cramps. Get the cramps later, all right? Panchos on 3. 1, 2, 3, Pancho! Thank you, parents. Thank you, parents. Thank you, parents.